let's talk about tweaking your YouTube videos and just getting them more views and really just making them popular all around. The first thing I want to show you is tagging. Let's click on Edit here and go into My Settings for this video. Under Tags, you're going to see Video, Ebook, Product, Creation, and Marketing. Now, the tags are just going to be like keywords. I'm sure you're probably familiar with article marketing, and you're just going to add keywords to the article. Well, we call them tags here for the video. Just put in a few good ones and make sure that they match up with the topic at hand, but make sure to not put too many and like have a million of them there. Just put a few good ones, and that's going to increase the likelihood of getting more views. Now, let's talk about collecting ratings and comments. Let's go back to the video here. Okay, I've actually got comments disabled because I didn't really have to have that enabled for what this video is serving its purpose for. But I'm going to edit in something here. And it's going to be a call to action that you can put at the end of your video. Let's take a look here. It's going to say something like, please subscribe, rate, and comment the video. And whenever you do that, like the more ratings you get, the more exposure YouTube is going to give you. And whenever you're asking someone to do it, instead of just sitting on your hiney and like letting people do it themselves, whenever you ask them, they're actually going to get up and actually do it, compared to not asking them at all. It really does work. So make sure to put that at the end of your video. And let's talk about the video description. Let me go into my videos here and click Edit. Now, for this particular video, this is just an example. This is just a little project video that I needed to get up. Under the description, I don't really have anything, but this is going to be just like your main article. This is going to be a short description of the video, and you need to make sure to put some good keywords in there. And also, make sure to not copy a description or copy from an article, because if you have the same content in there, you might be penalized for that, and your video isn't going to be as popular. One last thing, though, is that whenever you're putting the description for your video, you want to make sure to have this link here as the very first thing that you put in the description. Because let's go back to the video here, and let's click on it. As you're going to see, it's going to have my link here, and it's going to be clickable. So whenever people are viewing your video, they're going to see the website link here. They're going to be able to click it and go to your page. Maybe you have a product or something that you're trying to sell there. So make sure to put your link first and then the description underneath. Okay, let's talk about consistency. Now, this is just a little project channel. It's just like for random miscellaneous use that I use, and I only have one video on it so far. But being consistent is one thing that you really need to apply to your video marketing campaign. Now, a good number to shoot for is about 2 videos per week. You probably don't want to do just one. I think 2 or 3 is probably a really good number. However, you don't want to have like 10 videos per day. Because if you have 10 videos per day, this means that all the views that you're going to get, you know, from people that are subscribed to your channel, those views are going to be spread across 10 videos. So make sure to put like 2 or 3 videos per week. And I think that's going to be probably the best amount of videos that you can start pumping out. So don't do too few and don't do too many. Okay, enabling interaction. Let's click on Edit here. Now, like I mentioned, this video was just a project video. I'm not trying to get a lot of views for this video or anything. This is just a little random miscellaneous use video that I had to put up. But if I scroll down here, you're going to see that I've got it on public. That's good. And for the comments, I'm actually not allowing them. Make sure that you do have comments enabled on that. Make sure that you've got comment voting enabled. And make sure that you've got video responses and that you've got ratings enabled, as well as embedding. That's definitely going to help with the popularity of your video. Now, let's talk about responding with a video, which you can see right here. Now, I'm going to go over to this screen here. And what you want to do is search YouTube for a video that's similar to yours, and go to that video, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see this little box where you can type in a comment. Now, just put your cursor in there and click once. Okay, and on the right side, you're going to see this Create Video Response link. And if you click that, you're going to be able to take a look at this little page here, and you can select a video that you have on your channel. I only have one listed here because that's all that I've got on my channel. But you can select the video that is like the one that you're looking at on someone else's channel. You can click Use Selected Video, follow the instructions, and that's going to post it as a video response. Now let's go back to this video here. As you can see, this person has a couple of video responses right here, and you can click See All, and you can see a list of the rest of the videos that they've put as video responses on this particular video. And that's really good because whenever someone finds someone else's video, they're going to scroll down and look at comments, and they're going to see, well, they've got these other videos here that I can take a look at that's just like this one. And hopefully it's going to be your video. So make sure to post video responses whenever you can. Okay, let's talk about SEOing your video. This is going to come after you've applied everything that I just showed you. Now, YouTube uses some kind of algorithm that comprises of the following in no particular order. It's going to be title, description, tags, number of views, and rating. Now, the good news is that you can use all of these components to your advantage, and you should really keep these in mind whenever you're uploading your videos. Now, here's something else I want you to pay attention to, and it's about the description field. Now, you're only allowed so many characters to type in here before you have to click on Show More right here, which is the collapsible little button here. Now, the first thing you want to do is put your link in there somewhere. Because let's say that you put your description first, and then you're going to have your link, like, at the end of it somewhere. Well, not everyone's going to be clicking on the Show More button, like, to collapse it and decollapse it there. So, if you put your link there first, regardless if they're going to click on that, they're going to see your website link. Now, let's say they're not going to click on it. Well, if they're not going to click on it, they're at the very least still going to see it, and there's a chance of them remembering your website link, you know, by heart and going to it at some later time. So make sure to put your website link in there the first thing that you do whenever you're writing a description. Now, here's another thing, and it's very simple. There's really no demonstration needed. I think you'll get the point when I say this. Always include a URL in various places throughout your video, okay? Just like make it flash across the screen or something like that. That's self-explanatory. Okay, now let's talk about getting links to your video. Now, one way to do this is by writing a quick press release and submitting it. Or if you have a blog or email list, you can announce your new video to your readers, and you can encourage them to leave comments as well. And that's really going to help with getting YouTube to recognize your video. Now, you can submit your video to a social bookmarking site that actually allows you to do this. Sometimes they actually have a special video option that you click whenever you're submitting a video. Or you can create like a free report on the same subject as your video and give it away to people for free. And just make sure to have a link, a video link inside the report, and this should generate some links and additional traffic. And let's talk about one last thing here, and it has to do with comments. By allowing comments on your video, there's a good chance that the discussion can get picked up by other sources. I mean, one just basic example here is going to be that, let's say that you've got like 25, 30 comments on your video, and let's say people are discussing it. Now, you might not have known this, but when people are discussing that, they're actually like leaving keywords in on the video, like in the comments. So whenever you're searching Google for just whatever, your video might actually appear just because of someone that added a comment that had a particular keyword in it. So whatever you do, just make sure to allow comments, as it's going to help in more way than one.